As new Nutcoin token goes up plus 9,000% overnight, this new project may be the next crypto to explode, 100x possible. Im class equals align on size full WP image 130,274 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,871,975 Nutcoin. JPG alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 853. SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,871,975 Nutcoin. JPG 1,280. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,871,975 Nutcoin 300x200. JPG 300 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,871,975 Nutcoin 1,924 682. JPG 1,924 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,871,975 Nutcoin 768x512. JPG 768 with sizes equals max width 1208x100 WA. 1208 in the latest DEX-launched memecoin to Skyrocket, new Nutcoin token has undertaken a sensational plus 9,000% NUT price explosion. But how high can this moonshot fly? Recent months have seen a huge trend in explosive DEX-launched tokens, with countless moonshots garnering significant attention, including the ever-popular APX, SAMBO bot, baby meme, milk, XDOGE, and EO. $net new meme one word. Nope, more marketing plan. Pic, Twitter.com/JAxonIZPZ. NutCoinOffice at NutCoinETH November 9, 2023. Nutcoin appears to be a straight-up meme coin skyrocket with no apparent utility and a marketing strategy seemingly reliant on meme absurdity. NUT price analysis. How high can Nutcoin fly as price skyrockets plus 9,000%? As NUT price continues to hammer up high amid intense buying pressure, Nutcoin is currently trading at a market price of 3,128 cents, representing a 24-hour change of plus 938%. This comes only hours after the impressive launch at just 3:00 a.m. on November 13, suggesting the launch likely comes from the Asian market. Instant traction swept the chart in the initial hours of trading, with price hammering up to establish a strong ascendant upper trend line in the first 3 hours, an electric plus 884% move. Im class equals align on size full WP image 130,270. SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,885 NutStunidXTLZO 2023/11/13/10/637. PNG alt equals width equals 1,460 height equals 631 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,885 NutStunidXTLZO 2023/11/13/10/637. PNG 1,462. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,885 NutStunidXTLZO 2023/11/13/10/637 300x13 PNG 300 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,885 NutStunidXTLZO 2023/11/13/10/637 1024x443. PNG 1,924 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,885 NutStunidXTLZO 2023/11/13/10/637 768x332. PNG 768 with sizes equals max width 1406x100 WA. 1406x/ The dramatic pump upon launch captured the interest of eagle-eyed DX traders, triggering a huge influx of more than $536 in trading volume over the subsequent 5 hours. With price still fueled up by the surging interest, Nutcoin is continuing to post new all-time highs as I write. This stems from significant buy pressure, which currently represents 64% of transactions over the past hour. Still, it appears room remains for significant growth in Nutcoin from here, with just 268 holders at present, a lowly market cap of $2.13 and 16 hours until the end of its first day of trading. Similar memecoins often push up to 1,500 holders and $5.10 in market caps, suggesting that Nutcoin could still undertake up to a 5x move from its ongoing moonshot, suggesting a top price target of 2 cents. Yet, with recent DX tokens such as PP dumping dramatically in recent weeks, it's important to exercise a degree of caution when considering the extremely high risks of DX-launched meme coins. This is why some investors with less risk tolerance are turning their attention to a fully audited Bitcoin-related presale for more reliable moonshot returns. This Bitcoin alternative token could skyrocket amid Bitcoin ETF bull run. Don't miss out. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 130,268. SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,847 images 87. Web alt equals width equals 1200 height equals 628 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,847 images 87. Web 1200 web https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,847 images 87 300x 157. Web 300 web https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,847 images 87 1,924x 536. Web 1,924 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,847 images 87 768x 402. Web 768 with sizes equals max width 1200x 100 wa 1200x/a new Bitcoin alternative presale launched this week, offering eagle-eyed traders the opportunity to make it big on unfolding Bitcoin ETF rumors without having to eat the $36,000 cost of becoming a whole coiner. Bitcoin ETF token $BTCF is currently trading at a market price of 5 cents in funding round stage 1 with an alluring $493,000 raised in the opening weekend of presale. Designed and built with skyrocket potential in mind, this promising token aims to bank big on market excitement surrounding the ongoing applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Aiming for a hard cap of $5M in presale funding, the early stage of this emerging project's presale offers investors a unique opportunity to get in during this early entry point, which could set the stage for life-changing gains. Ride the ETF rally with ease. Bitcoin ETF token is a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 130,269 SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017. PNG alt equals width equals 1600 height equals 599. SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017. PNG 1600 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 30 rocks 112. PNG 300 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1024x 383. PNG 1924 wa https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 768x 288. PNG 768 wa https://cryptonews. com/wp content/upload/2023/11/1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 PNG 1,536 with sizes equals max width 1600x100 w 1600x/ Indeed, Bitcoin ETF isn't simply a useless meme coin. Beyond taking aim at the biggest narrative in crypto, BTCF has a major utility: Bitcoin ETF news alerts. The token's D app offers traders a live feed of the latest Bitcoin spot ETF information and news, with sophisticated technology tracking applications real-time at the SEC and high-speed bots monitoring social media for the latest breaking ETF news. But a simple feed of Bitcoin spot ETF news only highlights a fraction of Bitcoin ETF tokens' potential, with easy access to real-time update alerts offering sharp traders the opportunity to make market-beating returns stress-free, being amongst the first to hear about privileged Bitcoin spot ETF news. This could enable traders to position themselves appropriately in seismic Bitcoin market movements, making Bitcoin ETF token a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox this winter. Surging interest in Bitcoin alternatives leaves $BTCF poised to outperform Nutcoin token. Project tokenomics are bolstered by ambitious plans for the incorporation of staking rewards that incentivize long-term holding, alongside a burn mechanism which will enhance $BTCF as a digital gold alternative by creating a deflationary mechanism in price. Set for Stage 3 of the Bitcoin ETF project roadmap, an initial burn mechanism will be introduced amid a well-marketed DEX launch, imposing an initial 5% burn tax on transactions. This will be reduced by 1% each time a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is reached. However, plans are afoot for a larger burn mechanism in Stage 4, in a move that will see 25% of token supply burned over time. This will be conducted in 5% burn intervals, with each supply-side reduction taking place as a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is met. The milestones for the burn mechanism are as follows. Milestone 1, $BTCF trading volume hits $100m, burn tax on transactions reduced from 5% to 4%, and 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 2, first Bitcoin ETF is approved by SEC, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 4% to 3%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 3, first Bitcoin ETF launch date, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 3% to 2%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 4, Bitcoin ETF assets under management AUM hits $1 billion. Burn tax on transactions is reduced from 2% to 1%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 5, Bitcoin price hits $100. Burn tax on transactions is reduced from 1% to 0%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. This will create a gradual decrease in total supply, eventually leaving around 70% of BTCF in circulation, with the supply side reduction inducing upside price growth, and that is without considering the potential for token value accrual driven by demand from traders for access to the ETF News D app and the ever-present demand for Bitcoin alternatives. Indeed, 2023 has seen explosive growth in Bitcoin-related tokens, with markets showing a real appetite for BRC20 ordinal tokens, Bitcoin cloud mining, and Bitcoin derivatives. So don't miss your chance to get in early ahead of the next major Bitcoin rally leg. Buy Bitcoin ETF here. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg.co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.